this is Janet from Try It Like It Created, and today I'm going to show you how to make an easy gift bag out of wrapping paper. And all you need is a pair of scissors, some wrapping paper, and some double-sided tape. So to begin, you're just going to open up your wrapping paper, and you know, your seams don't even have to be perfectly clean for this. And I'm going to take my double stick tape about the length of the wrapping paper, and I am just going to line the inside edge of one side here with my tape. And then I find it easy to use a pin. I'm using a T-pin here just to kind of grab that tape and pull the protecting layer off of it. All right. And now we're going to take that over to the other side. Now just fold that side down. And you're going to take your tape over to it. Make sure you're going to cover the entire length and stick that down and give it a fold. All right. So now that seam is going to be on the back side of your bag. And you just want to go over these edges and make sure that they are really nice and crisp. And then you're going to decide how wide you want the sides of your bags to be. And for that, you're just going to then roll the tube over, and then you're going to push down on that and make those seams nice and crisp as well. Now you can clean up those edges if you want to straighten out the top, or you want to put like a decorative cut on that edge, you could do that. And then for the bottom of the bag, you're going to fold up however much you want, give it a good crease, and then fold it the other direction on that same line. All right, and give it a crease. And now you're going to open this up and make sure that those folds are where you want them. Okay, so now we have this, and for the bottom, you're just going to now, like you're wrapping a present, you're going to push the sides in to where that fold is on your side. That's why we folded it both directions, so that we'd be able to find that seam easily. Okay, so you're going to fold in and then fold into that seam. Then come to both sides and make that crisp. Okay, this side's giving me just a little bit of trouble. There we go. All right, so we want to fold that in. And I'm going to fold this side down, and then this side over on its seam. All right, and then to attach that along the bottom, we're going to use another piece of double-sided tape. So I'm just going to lay this down. I'm going to pull off a very small piece here because I want to put it close to the end of this side. And let me see, where did I put my pin? There it is. It's hiding. And then you're going to lift up this side. Of the protective sheet and peel that off. All right. And then you're going to fold it over so that it will attach. Now, here's the tricky part. Is if you put the bottom down on your surface and then take something, like I'm using my scissors here, to go in and push that bottom down. And you can see here that they don't have to fit. I can you know, let that paper curve a little bit to fit the scissors and push down on that bottom. And now I am just going to go in and fold those edges again. Make sure everything is nice and neat. Okay. And I'm going to have to go back in here and just make sure, and this I can do with a pen, I can put those sides down. I don't know if you can see in there, I'm making sure that the sides of the bag's down flat. You can hear my pen clicking because it's a clickable pen. Alright, but basically what I'm doing is I'm pushing down on this piece here so it's nice and flat. That side looks a little better than this side here. I'm going to work on that just a little bit more. It seems to be folded a little bit. Alright, make my edges nice. And there you have a bag, but you can decide how you want to finish it off. Now, what I like to do is just tuck in the sides like so. And then, if you want to store this flat for later, you can then, of course, fold it like a brown paper bag and fold at the bottom. And then you've got a flat bag that you can store. Or, if you're ready to put whatever item you have inside, you can easily, poke a hole, put ribbon through it. Oftentimes I like to fold over my top and then just use a really pretty sticker here. Show you what that looks like. So something like this to finish it off with a sticker.